At Thern, the transition from the weekend to the work week is easy.
Thern promotes the sort of work-life balance that I look for in an employer.
It's true. I'm not just an employee. I'm a parent, a friend, and I love my job.
Thern's commitment to excellence is not just a slogan. It's who we are.
We get stuff done.
We do the right thing.
We pursue excellence.
We put others first.
And it shows in our work. Thern's impact reaches beyond our workplace. We've been a part of some of the world's most iconic projects.
And we're just getting started.
It's a place where you can grow because they offer opportunity for advancement.
With a 75-year history of excellence, our Minnesota-based winch and crane manufacturing company has been a leader in the industry since day one.
And like Jamie said, we're just getting started.
At Thern, we're not just colleagues. We're a close-knit community that believes in putting others first. It's an environment where everyone thrives.
Come thrive with us.
Thern, where Mondays are just another great day. Contact us today.
I got you. Okay, ready? Okay, take 4.